Hello guys, in today's video I have the OPPO Reno 15 and I'm going to show you how to activate the always on display on this device. So actually the thing you need to remember is that this feature is not in the display settings. I don't know why they hid it, but we'll find this option and I will show you how to set up the AOD. So at first I need to go to settings, and as I said, this is not in the display and brightness. I don't know why, but let's go here, back to the settings, and here you need to tap home screen, lock screen and style. Now here scroll down a little bit, and now as I can see here they have wallpapers, icons, font, more, and always on display. If you tap always on display, you can find this slider over here. If you tap it, you'll have your always on display enabled, and once you have done that, you'll see that we have full screen, seamless, and classic. This is of course clock. If we now close our device, we can find the always on display. And once we unlock our device back again, we can modify the settings too. So as for the always on display, we do have here recent clock styles, personalized, for example, we can set it for Bitmoji, custom patterns, text and image, even canvas, some system, as I can see, carbon footprint, for example, walking 10,000 steps instead of using other modes of transport can reduce carbon emissions up to 2 kilograms, almost 2 kilograms. Walk more and see the positive impact you are making right there on the always on display. Got it. You can select the color of the clock, apply, and now if we close our device, we can see. Wait a moment, not like this. We can see the carbon emission over here. The emission. And as you can see here, they have a lot of options for the customization over here. And that's actually how to activate this option. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like under our video. It's important to us to have your feedback, so leave a comment, like as I said, and subscribe. Goodbye.